Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to talk about combining interfaces. If we declare two type aliases or two types with the same name, Typescript will throw an error and will tell us that we already used this identifier. Let's take a look at an example of that. Let's say I have a type that is product. And in here, the only thing that I want to include is a property that is name, and the type of that property has to be of type string. Now let's say I've forgotten that I've created this type, or for any other reason, I don't remember creating this type. So by mistake, what I do is I go ahead and I create the same type alias again, but I provide a different property within it. Now this is not supported by types. That's why Typescript is going to throw an error. Typescript is going to tell us that duplicate identifier product. And what does it mean by that? It means that this product name, this name of the type, which is an identifier, has been repeated here as well. So this is not going to go well with Typescript. But interfaces, on the other hand, they support this behavior, they support this feature. So if I were to convert this to an interface, I would say product, and in the first one we have a name string, and then I'm just going to copy paste it down below. But in the second one, instead of repeating myself, I'm going to say price, which is of type number. Now, as soon as I do that, this is going to be accepted by Typescript because this is a feature of interfaces. Now, how is the type annotation of this interface or these interfaces is going to look like? Well, it's going to look like this. And what you might be having this question, what is going to happen if I say product here? If I type annotate this. Now here, should I provide name or price or both of them? You have to provide both of them because the way Typescript looks at this is that even though there are two interfaces in our code, there is actually one. The name of that is product, but it does contain two properties. One is name and the other one is price. So we have to respect that. Name. And I'm going to say TS type of string, and you can see there's still an underline. And if I hover on that, it says property price is missing. So I'm going to add that, and let's say it is 10. And that's it for combining interfaces. See you in the next video.